So Tesla has had a great run this year so far, but where can the stock go from here? Let's take a look at the charts to find out. So first, the good. I like this bullish trend that we have in place. The fact that we're trading above the 200-day moving average. We just printed a golden cross here. I like this bull flag that we're forming here on the daily chart. And on the weekly, I like that we're getting a bunch of consecutive closes above the 100-week moving average. All right, now the bad. Tesla is trading right up against the upper end of this long-term downtrend that has been in place, and that also coincides with the upper end of the short-term bull trend that has been in place. That could explain why we got this big bearish engulfing candle right at this 275 level where both of those channels intersect. Doesn't mean the trend is over, but it's not exactly what you want to see. Hopping into the hourly chart, we do have a small head and shoulders top here, and you could argue that we have completed this pattern and that we're going to move higher, but just something to keep an eye on. We also have a bunch of unfilled gaps on the chart, one at 257, 235, 221, 208, and there's even one that goes down to 162, and gaps do tend to get filled. So how do we play Tesla from here? Well, first off, I'm not crazy about buying the stock, especially when it's at the upper end of both of these ranges. So I think waiting for a little bit of a pullback is a better strategy. Now the Qs are extended, the S&P is extended, the whole market feels extended, but I do believe Tesla and the rest of the broader markets to be in a bull market, and that means buying the dip. But I want to buy Tesla at the right price. Now, the way that I've been doing this is I've been selling weekly puts in Tesla, and so far since April, I've collected $33 in premium this year. So the level that I'm playing is this 235 level because it would fill that gap and there's good support. And also, if assigned at 235, that would bring my cost basis closer to around 200, which is where I think you want to buy the stock because you're going to have support from the lower end of this channel and these moving averages down below. So now hopping into the options chain real quick, looking out 2 weeks to July 14th, I can sell that 235 for around $2.30. If I'm feeling a little more bullish, I can even sell the 240 for $3.25. Now I like this strategy as opposed to just buying the stock outright here because you can just keep collecting these weekly premiums and end up just lowering your cost basis in Tesla overall. If you want to learn more about this, I've made a ton of videos on my channel, so go check them out.